Hey, it's been a while. Welcome to the Blender Weather Service. And today we're looking at the same storm and new site by the way. And it's way, way more colder than last time. Like last time I checked, that I think it was like from I think it was like the global site. It said it was like 18 degrees. But I was deeply wrong. All this right here it is an amazing like 10 degrees now. Yeah, it was like a 10 degrees. So yeah, that was a major jump from 18 to 10. I think this weather model showed when it was right here that was also around like 1 to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. And this transition ain't slow either. 1 second is like around like 33, another second you're in 24. Or right here, 1 second is 35, another whole second is 20. And it got him worse. And guess what? It has gotten way, way worse. See, I believe that the heat right here would just go to the north and then defeat this. But all these cold temperatures right up here? Heck no. Of course it won't. But weirdly, right here, Alaska is getting warmer, honestly. Like, we go back to the earlier. Alaska was way, way more colder. Like, extra colder. But now it's way warm. It's way less cold. It's not warm, but it's way less cold, though. So that might give us some warning. That's something here. Definitely something's going to happen right here. It might not be because of this, but it could be something's definitely gonna go to the north. I believe that. 100% believe that something's gonna go in the north. 100%. It's either gonna be from right here or from right here. But there's definitely something bad to happen here. We got major cold here, and way less major cold right here. But right here, I see something though. As this guy gets, I bet 100%. I'll give you a bet right here. This is not a forecast, by the way. And by the way, this is not real. And by the way, I now instinctively believe that it is going to go way more south than I believe that it would go. I believe that it would go right here, but heck no. I believe it's going to go like right here, so even further south. Maybe to the Ohio Valley, maybe northern Indiana, some part of Illinois, but maybe, just maybe, somewhere in Kentucky. Maybe northern, not to Louisville, but definitely northern. Maybe around Cincinnati, but not to Louisville. The wind anomaly is terrible. It doesn't want to work for some reason. And guess what? And all this, by the way, is feeling up north. All this is going north, by the way. It's going way north. It's going north. So we know that something's going to happen here somewhere. Something's definitely going to happen here, no matter what. Something's going to happen here. I bet. I give you like 100, probably not really 100%, but I give you like an 80% probability as this thing goes down. Something's going to happen here. I swear. As this thing goes down, something's definitely going to happen here. I swear. I bet something's going to happen there. Like right now, it is literally like 5 to almost 0. I think almost 5 to 4. Yeah. And Alaska was like a couple of hours ago, only like extra cold. Wait, like I go back from earlier, like yesterday. I'm gonna pretend that it happened yesterday. Alaska was way more colder. Like it was extra cold. But now, as this thing goes south, something very weird happening. It is either because all the heat going north and it's starting to absolutely demolish this cold right here, or it could be from all of this right here just going all the way south. And as that all that cold from right here goes to the south, there's gonna be less cold right here. And by the way, all this right here is gonna definitely be a major problem right here. I can definitely tell you that. Is that little convergence, and by the way, that little convergence is not a forecast, but it is an idea of the forecast that I am going to put out. I bet they're not going to show anything, but something is going to happen here. The right ingredients is going to do something. The right ingredients is the cold in the north and the heat in the south. And just to show you that Alaska has gotten colder, look at this blue line right here. Yeah, it's gotten especially weaker. So yeah, we definitely know something is going to happen right here, either due to this or this. So yes, I could give you a probability of around 80% that something is going to happen here, no matter what. Yeah, as this thing enters America, it's not gonna be instantly cold here, but I'm gonna give you the best probability that is definitely not going to be insanely cold. I'm not gonna give you around I bet this thing right here is not gonna give you even negative 10 outside Fahrenheit. Definitely not negative 10. And that probably not even negative 5. I'd give it around like 5 to 4 degrees Fahrenheit, depending where you are, if it even hits right here. If it doesn't, then most likely it's going to hit right here, then, yeah. Does this thing look like it's going to move off? 100%. 100%. We definitely know it's going to move off. Because it's obvious. It will, someday. But, what will it do past this point? Will it either get stronger or weaker? And that's something that I cannot give you a good answer for. I think nobody can give us a good answer for what's going to happen right here. Honestly, all of this that's going to happen right here is only going to depend on how this stuff is going to play out over here. If nothing happens, then definitely this thing is going to be a way weaker storm. But if something right here happens, smack dab right here, yeah, I give you a strong probability that this thing's gonna be strong by the time it gets out here. If it doesn't work, then probably it's gonna be a weak one. Not like a very weak one, but a weak one. So yeah. So yeah, that is your weather forecast for the day. Remember to like and subscribe. Yeah. See ya.